Okay folks, today we have a certified pre-owned 2017 Honda Civic EXT. Gorgeous AGM blue metallic paint job. You're gonna have the Honda lane watch on this vehicle, the 1.5 turbocharged engine, fog lights up front, and a moonroof. Let's take a closer look at some of these interior features. Okay folks, taking a look at the trunk space in the back of this Civic, you'll notice it is incredibly roomy back here folks. You can fit plenty of groceries with no problem in the back of this trunk. Moving to the back seat area. You do have the nice black cloth interior, extremely comfortable for any passengers you may have back there, and plenty of legroom and headroom. Moving to the front seat area, because this is the EXT edition, you're going to have the touchscreen there. You're also going to have cruise control on this vehicle, as well as Bluetooth capabilities. And as I mentioned earlier, you do have a moonroof as well. Okay, everybody, come on down to 115 Lenz Rd to Delaney Honda here in Indiana, PA, and check out this just-in 2017 Honda Civic EXT. This vehicle is certified pre-owned, folks, so you get all types of added warranty and protection with it. Also, you have heated seats, moonroof, Bluetooth capabilities. This vehicle will take you anywhere you need to go in style with great fuel economy. So come check it out and come see me, Tristan, when you do. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.